Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar has finally recaptured its bullish momentum as it rebounds after the fifth attempt from that 76.85 level and now looks towards a region of 77.90. With the US dollar back in a bearish phase, could see further gains, but I would see this as an opportunity to short the market, as I believe that from 77.90 should see a turnaround. Purely for the fact is that we don't have any support from the technical implications to confirm this rally. Therefore, I do expect to see it fail. Couple of things to note about the dollar index is the fact that it's actually back to its key level on a monthly outlook around 87.90 to 88.10. Now, a break beneath there would give grave concerns to the US dollar and may actually see the challenge towards that 125.5 level to the euro. So just be on your guard if you're short that we could see a further impulse in the next 12 to 24 hours if this pattern plays out. The dollar yen on its own merits has rallied, but not supported by the technical implications. Therefore, we could see a fallback eventually to the downside of 103.55. So do be on your guard if you're playing long, is that we could see this weakness, but not to sustain. Well, the pound has gained momentum overnight, purely for the fact is that we do have the Bank of England's minutes to be released tonight. And if it is more hawkish, as indicated from last week's information that hit the market, then we could see a challenge to either to 142 to 142.5. To 143, should I say. Overall, I'm not fully bullish, but we can still get this fundamental view coming through purely for the fact is that the market is still viewing that we could see a rate hike in the coming months, which is in May. Well, since the break of 1340, the market is still looking towards 1366, which is the recent highs that we saw in February and also back in January. But towards this region, I am not bullish. I think the market will turn away from this level and look back towards the downside. So just to be on your guard there. Looking at silver, though the market is topping out around this level of $16.70.80, and I do expect to see further weakness returning. But support may be shallow and coming in around $16.30. And rounding off with oil, well, the market didn't sustain it towards that level of $66 a barrel, and it's now looking towards the downside, with the target seen at 64.5 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.